YouTube, what's going on, everybody? I just want to talk to you about ARTi's. Now, what ARTi's are artificial intelligent robots and machinery. It's going to be awesome, and what they're going to do is basically any sort of heavy duty equipment, any sort of machine, any sort of job, they're going to be able to artificially do it. They're going to be able to learn on the fly, and people are going to have to, the first few go arounds or whatever, you're going to have to run it manually from the cab, or you're going to have to run it from a remote, and then it's going to start learning that process, and it's going to start creating ways to automate it and do the job for you. And it's going to contain a ton of multi-attachments, so you can interchange between whichever fucking thing you need, whether you need a bucket, whether you need a grader, whether you need a grave digger, I call it, or like a post hole digger, or you need this attachment, a tree grappler, an excavator. You just go, the machine goes to the center, switches it out, and we're going to have little hub centers where they're going to be able to dock and change stuff like that, change their bits, change shit like that with their drillers. And they're just going to be able to explore sort of areas that we've never explored, and they're going to be able to give us data that we've never had before. And they're also going to be able to, help man and women out when we are trying to, defend our countries and our fucking beautiful land and our beautiful place that we call home. Because there's going to come a time, and I see it, and I foresee it already, and even LucasArts saw it as Star Wars and shit like that, because I see, the first person to control space, the first person to actually have something up there that's man-made and like artificially intelligent, that's able to, I don't know, blast out comets, able to fucking zap the earth if it wanted to, as greasy as that sounds, like just shit that can cause a fucking disaster zone. So I want to kind of be, I don't know, not causing the disaster, but like I think we need to globally protect and do something good. And that's what ARTi's are going to do. They're going to be little space satellites. They're going to be little submarines. They're going to be awesome pieces of machinery equipment that are universal and awesome for life. Because that data is going to help us get places, and when we're exploring up in the space, we're going to start learning how artificial intelligence is able to supply that data back to us, what the environment's like, how we can get and adapt, how we can put people there that are eventually going to be there. So whether we're going to have some sort of surrogate mother system or some weird fucking trial run with actual animals or some shit, but I foresee some genetic mutation to host inhabitable life. You know what I'm saying? When we figure out exactly what it needs and kind of create a species for it, and then go from there. Well, if this interests you, this video, I'm looking for investors, people that want to team up. So far, I am in the developmental stages of absolutely everything. Like, this is just a sole idea. Like, I want to pursue absolute robotics with this industry, because someone's going to do it, and I want to do it personally. If you want to do it too, let's hop in and let's fucking tackle this project together, because sometimes things, they don't happen without someone else. And I've always lived by this one mentality that, teamwork makes the dreams work. And this is something that is going to change people's life and change our life. It's technology, innovation, and some sort of defense mechanism I propose. All right. Sounds good. I'll talk to you later. Excuse me for that. We'll talk soon.